Worms, viruses, and Trojan horses are all types of malicious software that can harm a computer system. In this ethical hacking tutorial, we will explain the differences between these three types of malware and how they can be used to compromise computer systems. Worms. A worm is a self-replicating program that spreads through a network without the need for human interaction. It can propagate itself from one computer to another by exploiting vulnerabilities in network protocols or software applications. Worms can consume network bandwidth and cause denial of service (DOS) attacks. They can also install backdoors on compromised systems, which can be used by hackers to gain unauthorized access. Viruses. A virus is a piece of code that infects a host program or file and spreads when the infected program or file is executed. Unlike worms, viruses require human interaction to spread, typically through email attachments or infected downloads. Viruses can modify, delete, or steal data on a compromised system and can also install backdoors or other malware. Trojan horses. A Trojan horse is a program that appears to be legitimate but contains malicious code that can harm a system. Unlike worms and viruses, Trojan horses do not self-replicate or spread on their own. Instead, they rely on social engineering tactics to trick users into installing them, typically through email attachments or software downloads. Once installed, Trojan horses can steal data, modify system settings, or install backdoors. To protect against these types of malware, users can take several precautions, including keeping their operating system and applications up to date with the latest security patches, installing and regularly updating antivirus and anti-malware software, being cautious when opening email attachments or downloading software from unknown sources, avoiding clicking on suspicious links or pop-ups, using strong and unique passwords for all accounts, enabling firewalls to block incoming traffic from suspicious sources. By following these best practices, users can reduce the risk of their computer systems being compromised by worms, viruses, and Trojan horses. In addition, ethical hackers can use their knowledge of these types of malware to identify vulnerabilities in systems and help organizations strengthen their cybersecurity defenses.